Welcome back to Martina Architect. If this is your first time in the channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So in this video, I will show you step by step on how you can split A2 sheet into A3. So go to print, or you can use the shortcut Ctrl P. You select the sheets that you want to print. I selected this ones already, but let me redo it again so you can see how I did it. So you go to setup. For the left side of the page, set this to no margin. Set to no margin, and make sure this is always in portrait. Very important. As you can see here, it's only one side of the sheet that are printed, like the left side. So for the right side of the sheet, you go back to print. You have selected the sheets already, so we're not doing anything here. Then go to setup. Make sure this is always in portrait. Then set this to user defined. Minus 297. Let's save as right side. As you can see, these are the right side of the page. So this is it. For more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell.